during quarantine does not count. Stop judging me! Hello everyone! Very glad to have you back with me. I'm excited to share this recipe with you because this is another vintage recipe that comes straight out of my grandmother's recipe box that I wrote onto my laptop here. And it's called pecan balls. Basically, it's just a really crunchy cookie, a little hint of sweetness, a little touch of vanilla, and some pecans. They're really, really easy to make. They're simple. I'm all about that. And it's a vintage recipe. So the first thing you want to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit so that it's ready for the cookies to bake. So anyway, let's go over the ingredients. So this is what you're going to need to make the pecan balls. Just 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of really softened butter, half a cup of granulated sugar. I'm just using some raw cane sugar because that's what I have on hand. It doesn't really make a difference. 2 cups of pecans, and we're going to chop them up, and then 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Right here I've got a couple of baking sheets lined with some parchment paper, very important. And that's it. Usually I use my standing mixer, but since this is a vintage recipe, I'm gonna show you that you can do it easily by hand because you can. Get your butter. Next up, we are gonna add half a cup of sugars. And then I got, just a little rubber spatula, and I'm just gonna mix that together until it's nice and fluffy. Oh, it already smells so good. That comes together in no time. It's like 2 seconds, it's done. Next, pecans. Put that aside. I'm just gonna chop these up really quick and then we're gonna add them into the mixture. Just do like a rough chop. You don't have to go too crazy. I've made these cookies for a bunch of people and ooh, no one's ever complained. Just mixing these in quickly. I'm going to bring over the flour. That's 1 cup. Wow, that's really making a big cloud of flour happen. 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And then we will add 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Now I'm getting in there with my spatula, and then I'm going all around. And I'm just, just mixing it in the best I can until it comes together. More of a crumbly textured cookie. And I really, really enjoy that. Honestly, most of the time when I'm making things like this, like cookie by hand, I get in there with my hands and kind of just like squish everything together. See how it's really coming together like a cookie dough? But we don't want to overmix, so that looks just perfect. Give it a few slaps. Everyone needs a beer break after that. This is what I do. I just take a spoon. Or you can use, if you have a cookie scoop, use that. Honestly, all mine broke recently, so I don't have anything like that. It's gonna make like normal sized cookies. I do like 3 and 3, and then 2 and 2. 8 cookies on a tray. So I got my 2 baking sheets with my pecan ball cookies. And we're gonna place this into our preheated 350 degree oven for about 20 to 22 minutes. We're gonna rotate it halfway through cooking also. I always do that anytime I'm baking something so it gets an even bake. Just place them in the oven. So I just wanted to mention real quick that I rolled these cookies into 1.5-inch balls and baked them for 25 minutes. I take them out of the oven and let them chill out on some cooling racks, and if you lift up the bottom and you see a lovely golden brown color, then you know that they're totally done, and then just let them cool on a rack completely before eating. Alright guys, so these have been cooling for about 10 to 15 minutes. They are done. They smell just so incredibly amazing. They smell like vanilla. Pecans smell like maple syrup to me. Do you guys feel the same way? I don't know. Like I want to eat them, and like all of them right now, which is what I'm gonna do. So let's get into one. See, it should be a little bit crunchy. See, yeah, it's got a little bit of a snap. Oh my god, it just smells. It's buttery and a little bit crispy, and it tastes just sugary sweet. Simple and perfect, needs no changes to it whatsoever. Thank you guys so very much for spending a little bit of time with me today. You'll be seeing a lot more of my grandmother's recipes on this channel because they're so good. These are the perfect cookie because they are simple. Everyone loves them. They are delicious. They're easy. Please just go ahead and make them. Please hit the like and subscribe button. I try to upload as often as I can. And guys, I'll see you next time. Catch you later.